Medical malpractice is basically the same thing as medical negligence. To have a medical malpractice or a medical negligence claim, you really need to have two things. The first thing is called a breach of the standard of care. Basically what that means is that a doctor, a hospital, or a healthcare professional fails to do something, or they do something that they shouldn't do. That's called a breach. A good analogy would be driving. When we drive, we all know that that red light over the intersection means that you're supposed to stop. If you don't stop, that's basically the equivalent of a breach in the standard of care. The second requirement for a medical negligence or a medical malpractice claim is causation. Causation means that the breach results in damage or death to the patient. That means that you not only have to run the red light to have a negligence claim, you also have to have injury or damage resulting from that breach. So with the issue of a healthcare professional, when they do something that they shouldn't do, that breach has to result in injury or death to a patient. Now, it's important to understand that just because a patient has a bad outcome doesn't mean that you have a medical negligence claim. Bad things happen to good people all the time, and medicine is not a guarantee. It's not an exact science. So very frequently we see patients who have unfortunate outcomes, bad results from medical procedures, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they have a medical negligence claim. It's important that we review all of the records and that we have the records reviewed by an expert to determine whether or not the healthcare professional involved in this particular case was involved in a breach. They failed to do what they were supposed to do, and that caused the damage, injury, or death to the patient that we're investigating. If we have not answered your specific questions in this video or the rest of the videos and information on our website, please contact us for a free consultation. We believe that you have too much at stake not to protect your legal rights.